Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I'll show you how to make your Google Docs as a template. So if you are noticed that if you open your Google Docs and then find this new and then you can choose a new document from template gallery like this. It's a bunch of template that actually I don't know how to add a template or about to be here, and then no problem. We have another way. So what you have to do, you just write your template. For example, this is the header of my Google Docs template, and then on here I have my horizontal line, and then on the bottom I have the footer line. For example, I will change the font into, for example, Georgia, like this. So this is the template. And then how to make it as a template, you go find this document location. This is the location, and then or you can just click this move and then click this open folder in a new tab. And then this is the document docs for tutorial here. This is the document that I added before, which we want to make it as a template. Now if you want to use it as a template, you just right click on your mouse and then click this make a copy. So when I click make a copy, I scroll down until you can find this copy of Google blah blah blah. I will change the name into copied template and then click OK, and then open that copy template. Now you're ready to go. You can edit your template here for another use, for another file, and so on. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel, or you can just click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.